Happy New Year, artsies! This is Mrs. B. Welcome to Umaarteng Penmanship. Today, I will unbox and show you the vintage journaling kit that I bought from Shopee. It's an affordable package, and let's see what I got.
Alright, so this is the first box of the journaling kit that I bought in Shopee. This is only for 60 pesos, of course, plus shipping. Alright, let's see what's inside. Actually, I opened it earlier. And also, this includes the stickers. Let's open this. Alright. Okay, so there are some stamps, and I would like to show it to you. So this will be the stickers that I will be doing, or I will be putting on my journal. Alright, it's empty now. Okay, so let's see what we have. Alright, so we have here some squares of cut from I don't know where. Alright, so yeah, there's okay, so there's a quote here. Okay, what you seek is seeking you. Nothing is made, no, nothing is more flammable than my dreams. Okay, I like this, but I like to put something like this with my own calligraphy and my journal. I do not actually use much stickers on my journal, but I might be using. Okay, so we have this some colored squares here. Okay, so we have pink, some browns, and peach. Alright, so let's put it there. Okay, this cartoony, you may find it cute, but for me, I do not actually like this because it's childish, and I do not like this much. Okay, so I think there would be more here, but I cannot find it right now. Okay, there's another one there. Okay, I don't know who this is. I'm not sure if this is Sakura, the card captor, but yeah, she looks like the card captor Sakura, but I do not like actually cartoony or animated like that. I like these florals. I made my own sticker florals. Okay, also with my from my watercolor painting. Alright, I did that small so I can make it stickers like this. Okay, there's more of the cartoony. Okay, there. I like this. Okay, I like the flowers. Okay, so we have some hearts here. Okay, there's a lot of stickers. Alright, so okay, there's more. I like these blue florals. Okay, so some stamps. Okay, there's an animal here, a cat. Okay, some stamps. Okay, there are also some kittens. Okay, what about puppies? Okay, alright, so like rectangle or stickers we have. Okay, some new florals. Okay, like these. All of it are mixed together. Okay, so there, let's remove some. Okay, Mona Lisa's here, so some stamps. Alright, and I think some paintings or like stamp like. Okay, so we have these. We will be putting this in. I will be putting this in my journal. Okay, these are cute, and I think I will be using these, but not of the cartoony thing. I'm not sure if my kid will like it. Okay, party. Okay, dog. Yeah, there's a dog. Okay, another cartoony one. Okay, cupcake and ice cream. Okay, so there's dogs. Okay, good. Because I like dogs. I like dogs more than kittens. Okay, so we have this like bus ticket. Okay, but there are a lot of cats. I hope that she added more of the dogs than the cats. Okay, another flowers. Okay, so these are some bus tickets. Okay, so that's all included. Okay, these are good ephemera. Okay, I like this. Okay, so there's like a frame here that you could put a picture inside or a quote. Also this one, you could paste it on your journal and put a picture or a quote. I did that when I was young. Okay, so but I do not have my journals anymore when I was young. Okay, so there's also square. Okay, I did this when I was younger, and I will like to do it again because I miss pasting and cutting. It is actually stress relieving. Okay, so we have some doilies here. Let me see how many we have. Okay, I think we have just, alright, we have 4 doilies. Alright, so for this we could cut it out, or you could put as a whole, or you could fold it. Okay, so let's see these papers. These are good ephemera. I like the brown because it's more vintage looking, or like olive green or olive brown. I like those. This one I like it. Okay. Oh, so we have more of same like the stickers. Okay, I could do calligraphy with this, with a quote. Alright, so this is an old writing. Okay, it's an old writing, a photo of it. Okay, and use some music notes. Alright, okay, so we have some checklist here. I do not actually do bullet journaling, that's why it's not working for me. Okay, and I will show you how I do my journaling, because bullet journal and schedule journals are not working for me. Okay, so these are some good papers I could put in as my background and design. Okay, so there are some music notes. There's a song, Out of Depths, but I don't know what is that song. Things like an old song. Okay, there's a map. Okay, there's a love letter. Do you know what I was thinking? Whatever. Okay, I'll read that later. Okay, so there's a journal, another from a journal, and a map. I like the maps. I like this also. Okay, like an old memo pad. I like also this, and the music notes. Okay, so that's all included here. I do it like this. This not work for me. Okay, and the last thing that we have here. Okay, so these are the book pages that are combined all and rolled together all together. Okay, so this one is, these are from the old books. You can do that if you have old books that you're not using and it's not good for sale anymore. You can do this. Alright, but I don't have any, so I'm glad that it's actually included in the package. Alright, so I will pack this up first and I will show you the other one. So these all included in this box. This is only for 60 pesos, or in US dollars, so that would be like $1.20. Okay, so that's really cheap, right? So these are all in Shopee. I'm not sure if some of these are available in Amazon, because most of my viewers are in the US. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is the second that I unpacked. Alright, okay, I do it like this. Okay, it's damaged. Alright, it's damaged. Okay, so I will need to contact the seller for this. Alright, Okay, so this is a sketchbook that I might be using for journaling. Okay, when I look into the Shopee store, it says that there's no brand, but when I look here, there's actually a brand, Potantate sketchbook. It says also it's made in China. Okay, so there's writing here. Alright, I'm not sure if I can. Okay, I can remove that because this one is damaged, and maybe I can just remove that and use this instead. Alright, so the paper is okay. The paper is actually rough. This is not good for any brush pen. It's not also good for my nibs, but the good thing about it is that it lays flat even if it's thick. There is it's actually sewed on the end on this side. I think as I remember, this is 100 pages, so this is actually good for pencil. So I might be using this for a sketchbook, or maybe I can use this also for my guide on my any art projects. Okay, I will put my sketches here. Alright, but for sketchbook, of course, this is fine, but for journaling, it's not, because this is actually literally a sketchbook. I will also leave a comment or a feedback to the seller. Let the seller know that this is damaged. Alright, even if it's actually, they put it a thick bubble wrap. Okay, but I'm not sure if this is on the seller side or even the courier. I will be using this for my journaling. So this is a Limelight sketchbook. This is a plain notebook. It is black. It is the same with my previous journal that I showed you before. Okay, this is 120 GSM and 100 leaves. So this is totally blank. This is rose gold. I bought this in National Bookstore for 199 pesos and 75 cents. So that would be like $4 in US. And the texture is good. I tried this also with my dip nibs, my dip pens, and it's good. This is also good for my brush pens. Most of the pages art that I did last year, I didn't write anything here. I just put some painting here. But let's see what we can do in just one. I had 2 journals for last year. Okay, because I wrote day to day for one page. So this 100 leaves, 120 GSM. Alright, you could buy this also in grids and lines, also and dotted, but I prefer plain notebook, totally plain notebook, because it helps me more being creative on what to do and what to put in. And if you would like to be more creative, you get a plain one. Alright, so that's our unboxing today. Alright, for my journaling. We'll see more of this on my next video. Join me next week on my starting my journal. I hope you will find it helpful and will help you also to be creative in journaling. If you like more of the videos about journaling, watercolor, and calligraphy, consider subscribing to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my latest uploads. Also, I upload 2 videos every week. I upload my real-time calligraphy every Wednesdays, that is right, Wednesdays series, and also my tutorials, unboxing, review every Fridays. I hope to see you next week on my starting my journal. Bye!